All right, y'all. So we are late for work. All right, POV, late for work, getting to the shop. I got a 9 a.m. appointment. It's 9:05. Well, I can't show too much of this, huh? Well, let me get up out of this little thing real quick. Yeah, man, we are late for work. We got some music. Oh, we can't play this music, though. Can't play no music while we riding. Yeah, this thing bumping right now. Usually I just be bumping. I might have to cut this shit off halfway just to get in my mood. Oh, yeah. You hear that thing? All right, we good. Here we go. Left a little smoke back there. It's a little smoke. We're in a rush. Move it. Move it, buddy. I got somewhere to be. Yeah, man. Way to wake up. This asshole's gonna pull out. You gotta hit the gas on them when they pull out. Yeah, I ain't know that. Yeah, I know that little trick, huh? Hit the gas on their ass when they pull out. What you mean? All right, y'all. Let me get there safely.